Hi guys, welcome back to another cooking vlog with me. So today I am making yassa with couscous. As you can see, these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. People usually make cook yassa with chicken, but I like fish, so I'm going to do fish instead. And these are the seasonings that I'm going to use. And you definitely need the spicy brown mustard. That's the important ingredients for the yassa sauce, and that's the couscous in there, and this is the fish. And I will add some vegetables in the couscous, but you will see how I make that. In the meantime, I'm about to season the onions. I've already cut up the onions. I'm about to season the onions, then fry the fish, then we will go from there. All right, first we are going to season this. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, cayenne pepper, y'all. I'm not good at measuring stuff. I just eyeball it. Tell me you grew up in a African household without telling me you grew up in an African household. We don't do measurements, we just eyeball. And whenever I'm cooking this also, I don't like to use seasonings that have salt in it. So majority of the seasonings here are all kind of like herbs, because this one is onions. I mean, this one is garlic powder, the other one is onion powder, and this one is like, I think this like complete just vegetable seasonings on this one. But yeah, because if not, if you don't be careful, you will have too much salt in it, and you do not want that. And also, I like using this when I'm cooking. Again, I don't know how to measure. I just use my hands, all my eyes, and just call it a day. Oh. Spicy brown mustard. You do not want to put too much spicy brown mustard in here in the onions. So you just want to size it. If not, the sauce is all going to taste like spicy brown mustard, and that's not what you want for it to taste like. So I'm going to add a little bit more of spicy brown mustard. Okay. So the next step is to go ahead and fry the fish. Give me a second. I always like to put onions in the oil once it starts getting warm, and then I'll start frying the fish. So next on the step, next step is to make the sauce. This is the onions we marinated earlier with the seasonings and the mustard, the brown spicy brown mustard. So this is what it looks like. So I always advise you to season it before you fry the fish, so by the time you get to this, it will be a bit marinated in there. The oil is a bit warm. Now I'm going to add it in there. You definitely want to put it between low and high with the oil, because you definitely don't want to burn the onions. If not, it's not going to taste good. But anyway, yeah, let's put this in. Bismillah. For a few minutes, then you can take it out. Very easy. I'm gonna leave it here for like, let's say 3 minutes, and then add the fish in there. Bismillah. I don't know how to say this in English, but it's the kind of season, so it's jumbo. My African people know this. You don't have to use jumbo, honestly, but if you have it, you can use it. And you definitely want to be careful too with seasoning the onions, because you don't want to put too much seasoning that have salt. If not, the salt is going to be too much in there, and you're not going to like that. I don't have the habanero peppers, so I'm going to use this. What is it? Okay. I don't have the habanero pepper, so I'm going to use this. This is pepper also. I hope it's gonna up enough for me. I like my food spicy. Guys, we are almost finished. This is the end. Well, this is the last step. I don't even know what I'm doing. Anyways, this is the couscous. You always have to make sure the water is boiled first before you add the couscous. I'm gonna let this simmer here for like 2 minutes or 1 minute. So the water can dry out, then I'll add the vegetables. Let's see. You definitely do not want to add too much water in the couscous. Okay. The water is dried out. Oh, I'm gonna put this on low. I don't think I need to add any more water. I did put the stove on low. Still have a little bit more to go. Give it a few minutes. Okie dokie. So, well, this is just, I don't know how to say it, but why I'm doing this is for the couscous not to stick on the wooden spoon. So you just put water in the bowl and do it like that, and kind of like mix it up because it's finished cooking. Now I'm going to add the vegetables. These are vegetables, frozen vegetables. I'm gonna add it. Just like that. And again, like that. Okay, this is the end. This is it. Now I'm about to make me a plate and eat because I'm starving. I am hungry. As you can see, this is the yassa with fish, and that is the couscous. Yeah, this is it, and I am about to make me a plate and do a taste test for you guys. Okay guys, so this is my plate. I'm about to enjoy, and thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching my vlogs. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye. Thank you.